stomach. 初めてだ。
初めてよかった。
そうです。
初めて。袖手。
Wow, looking good.
かっこいい？
いいね。
いいね。
うわー。So nice. That color is so nice. Simple design for men. どこかな？どっちでもいいです。Ooh, looking so nice for you.
これであと
はい。
帯？
うん。帯は口はどこ男の。I will buy also 500 yen. Oh my god.
500.
No, no, no. That is little expensive. It's okay. Wait, you show me. Wow. Looks so good too. She's finding something like this for waist. Hey, sumo.
Sumo.
Japanese kimono. It's only 500 yen. Oh my god. Ah, what?
これね今ね値段安いのちょっとないんだけど。
これいくら？高いの。
高いでしょ？
うん、ないの？
もっとね。
That's not so much expensive, OMG.
How much?
That is 9,000 yen, OMG. For that.
No.
No, I said find something like. If she can't find here, we will buy in a cheap store. Have that. No need this here to buy here.
How much is this?
It's like 50% off, and that is like something like 2,000 or 3,000.
これ一番安いので3,900円。
そうですか。じゃあちょっとやってみて。
はい。
初めて着るからこれ。
こういう感じ？
はい。この感じだけですね。Show me.
こういう感じ。
So nice. あー